What you got going on tonight?
Nothing much. Probably go home and sit with my baby. What's up?
Okay. Can I get you a suit and we go out?
Yeah, but can we not go to Riverside? I don't feel like going there no more.
What's wrong with Riverside?
It's played out. I want a real
Hey,
date.
what's going on? Are we working here?
We just talking before we had this meeting with you.
Okay,
You know?
all
we
right.
knew you was coming in.
Oh, you knew?
Yeah, because you had the step light with the Scooby-Doos on.
Scooby-Doo? Okay, you know.
Suede.
Yeah. Your turtleneck a little tight, you know. Don't get choked up, okay?
It is a little tight.
But anyways, you know, I hope you're not chilling too hard over here.
Oh no, boss! I work real hard all the time.
Right. Well, I need to come and tell y'all that I have somebody new coming through.
Okay,
you know what I'm
person.
saying? So I need y'all to keep an eye out on them. You know,
On them, cool.
Let me know. I'll be checking in.
Just make sure her attitude is good, because the last couple people you brought in, they had funky attitudes, and I
So
don't
hold
deal
on,
with that.
is it a her or a he?
I'm getting a lot of back and forth, and it shouldn't matter, really. You know
I just
want to
make sure, because you know we just got to make sure it's balanced, equal opportunity.
Yeah,
It shouldn't matter.
We have a new employee come in, and we ain't talking about chilling too hard, attitudes and stuff, you know, because you already working on that, obviously. Make sure y'all keep good tabs on her. And
Her, got it.
I'll do what I can.
Yeah.
I ain't making no promises.
I'm going to check in.
Check in.
Thank
Definitely.
you, boss.
Check in with that Afro pic.
I'm gonna need you to calm down. Every time she makes somebody new, you get to acting real funny, and that pisses me off.
I'm just trying to make sure the energy is right.
No, make sure that our energy is right first.
Your energy is kind of crazy, like you, but I like toxic.
So me say,
Nobody don't want to, but you know you gotta let it go. The party ain't jumping